Hi, and welcome to my beautiful mess. This is Mary. Today we're going to do a plan with me in my classic catch-all. So I use the Homestead Planner. It's a lot like the Farmhouse Planner if you're familiar with that. And today I'm going to be doing a spread using the new Detailed Florals book. I love this book, but then I am a flower lover. I love anything that's floral. And so today I'm going to use basically a color palette of these flowers. So we have a really pretty fuchsia violet kind of flower with peach tones and some aqua and some green. So I'm going to be building my spread around that. And so the first thing I'm going to do is, now I love, if you've caught some of my other plan with me's, I love to create borders with flowers. I love doing that, like, putting them all along the bottom or maybe even all along the middle or all around the edges. Like, I love doing that, but today I'm just going to do something a little different. So I'm just going to actually put it right down. Let's see. The 24th. I'm just looking at what I have on the calendar, so I'm not putting it over a busy day. That happens sometimes. So I'm going to kind of lay that down. And I think I'm going to end up doing sometimes these clear stickers are really kind of hard to get out because you almost like peel up the backing with it. So they're kind of troublesome at times, but I'm going to put this one here. And I'm going to do a few more. I'm going to do one, oops, kind of going that way. Okay, that's it for now. I may add some more here. Okay. Next, I'm going to do a little border, and I love this one because it says, when in doubt, add flowers. That's really pretty. So I'm just going to, I think I'm going to actually just drop it here and just layer it. So I'm going to layer it over the flowers that I already have. Oh, I should have done it from the other side, right? That's what I should do. What I mean is I should start from this edge, from that edge, and then let it layer that way. There we go. Very pretty. Okay, Sundays are pretty lazy days for me, so I'm going to just cover up one of the boxes here. I never really have a lot to write on Sundays because it's mainly just like church and stuff. I'll actually just put it up here because I think it'll fit better. There, that's a much better fit. So I'm going to do that. And Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays are normally my busiest days. So I'm going to put I'm going to put a little header here and then a checklist. Okay. I'm going to do something similar for Wednesday. And a couple of little boxes there for me. I like bullets. Like, I know some people just like right in the space. And if I'm adding more than one thing, I like to see a couple of bullets. Like that's just me. I'm weird like that. Okay. All right. Let's see here. So I'm going to flip through the book here a little bit. And I think I'm just going to steal another little header here. And I'm going to put this purple circle here. I'm going to try to put it in the middle. And hopefully not crooked. I keep doing it crooked. Okay. Okay, and then I'm just going to layer that over that way. And y'all, if you're new to layering stickers is just a really nice way to add some interest to your page. I just can't like get it the way I want it. I personally love layering stickers. There we go. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some color up here on my Friday list. I always have a list of things to do on Friday. And I'm going to add one of these here. And I think I'm also going to add this down here. And then I'm just going to layer a sticker over it like that. And I'm going to use a leaf sticker and just kind of add it over here like that. Just give it a little more dimension. Okay, next I'm going to use this really pretty lined box. I definitely like when they aren't like always square. Those are really pretty when they have some interest to them. And do that. And I'm going to add a layered box right there, I think. And that's very pretty. Next, in this space over here, I'm going to do the same thing I did over here. Basically, I'm just going to add my circle, and then I'm just going to layer a header like right over it. And I have a little bit of space here. I'm tempted to put a little sticker, but I think I might just keep the white space. I'm just going to keep the white spaces here so it's not too cluttered looking. But that's kind of it. That is my plan with me. I love using these colors that are kind of different to the Happy Planner. You know, Happy Planner in the early days had a lot of pink and black and gold and that kind of stuff. I love that they have come out with some really pretty off shades that are just really nice. So you've got the pretty jade tone, you've got the peachy marigold color in the center, and then the violets are just really nice. So if you haven't seen the sticker book and you want to take a look at what's inside, I actually have the Bloom Bundle unboxing on my site, where I do a flip through of all of the sticker books that were included in there. So if you want to take a look at that, I will drop it in the description below so that you can see that. Thank you so much for joining me as always, and please hit the like button before you leave, and please subscribe to my channel.